Welcome back to Explore Error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to officially lock your Facebook profile to protect your privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile picture to open your profile page. Now, tap the three dots at the top right corner. From the menu, look for the option Lock Profile and tap on it. You'll see a preview that explains what happens when your profile is locked. Tap on Lock Your Profile, then confirm your choice. That's it. Your Facebook profile is now locked. People who are not on your friends list won't be able to see your full posts, photos, or stories, which helps keep your account more private and secure. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.